far, we have been testing out the CRUD APIs and the real-time GraphQL APIs generated by Hasura over Postgres. But what about business logic? What if I have custom business logic in my app? How do I solve it? For example, in our to-do app, let's say I want to validate data before doing a mutation. For example, if I'm inserting to-dos into the public feed, I should be able to do a validation check for profanity. Similarly, if I want to fetch Auth0 profile information along with the same query structure, I should be able to add it as another GraphQL schema. Or, for example, you want to send an email whenever a new user signs up on the app to get notified for signups. Hasura allows you to do this custom logic in two ways. The first option is to write your own custom GraphQL resolver and adding it as a remote schema. The other option is to write an event webhook which will be invoked asynchronously on an operation like a mutation. So for example, if you are doing a mutation on a particular table, you can ask the webhook to be invoked asynchronously to perform certain operations. So let's look at how both these can be implemented.